So welcome to Night Hacking at Java One Brazil. My name is Yolande Poirier, and I'm here with Joël Lucas. Joël, hi.
Hi.
So Joël, you are a data scientist, and you work for a company that is called TelTarget, right? So what is a data scientist?
Actually, data scientists try to get insights. Sorry. Actually, data scientists try to get insights from data. So usually you have lots of data, like big data. That's the part of we work with processing lots of data, and we also get some to get some insights. You have to have some notions of statistics, mathematics, and processing this data with tools, adapted tools for big data.
So you do the algorithm that will actually analyze those data. Is that what you
Yeah.
are?
To process this data and also to analyze and get insights. So there are actually two parts. First, have to prepare this data, so it's a hard work to get this data ready for finding some insights.
Okay. So and you have to think about like what you're looking for, how,
Yeah.
what. Okay.
You have some what questions you want to get from the data. So you have to think before, maybe a little bit of business as well to try to find these insights from data. But you have to find the questions before analyzing the data.
So we talk a lot about machine learning, but so what does it mean? What is machine learning? What?
Machine learning is when you teach the computer, you show them some data, and then the computer tries to find these patterns. Actually, machine learning is all about to find patterns, uh, and there's a category called supervised learning that we teach the algorithm some pattern, and then after we give the algorithm real life problems, and then the algorithm will try to find answers based on this past and the previous data we trained.
And we talk also about deep learning. So
Yeah.
what is the difference between like machine learning, deep learning?
Deep learning is a special category of deep machine learning. Actually, it's very sophisticated. Usually use neural networks, and you have to train for a long time these networks. Actually, in this demo I will show, we maybe teach for a day or something. Each author, I'm showing the text we're showing here. We trained the data. It took about a day for training. So there's a lot of work done before, like classifying. You have to prepare the data and then train the data, and it takes a lot of time from the machine to.
To get the result that you need.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have an example,
Yeah,
and
let me show.
you presented that at the keynote
Yeah.
this morning.
Actually, this example, uh, we here in the terminal, we charted some models we trained before. This one take a day for each input file. These files are from texts of Brazilian authors. Actually, there is a lot of work done by English text. So there is a implementation of Alex Graves, who is a very known person that works with deep learning, and we extended his implementation for the Portuguese language. So we had to treat the Portuguese grammar and the special characters we have in Portuguese. So after having this extension, we trained the neural network for a day for each one of the three authors. Here are the three authors. Let me show. And then basically this application we taught the network with this with text from each author, and then now the algorithm will try to generate text from each one of them, trying to reproduce the style of writing. So for example, Drummond, which is a very known Brazilian writer, here's the text we generated. Actually, we had a very small input for training, so here I have some words in Portuguese, sem calor, which is we have the comma, points, so dots. So we had the structure of a Portuguese language, a Portuguese phrase.
Okay.
And then let's try to generate another one. this one, Veredas, is like text, so it's another style of writing. So it's like phrases, not poems like Drummond. Let me show Fernando Pessoa, which is maybe similar with Drummond, with some, yeah, like a poem. So I have his writing style here. Let's generate again another one just to show that it's generating rendering. Yeah.
So which API, Java API, are you using to?
You use it Deep Learning 4J, which very powerful API for deep learning. There are lots of common use algorithms for deep learning.
And you also have a presentation about like other APIs that you can use for machine learning. So what are those?
Yeah, I'll be talking about Mahout, which is a wider API. Actually, Deep Learning 4J is just for deep learning. Mahout is spread of all kinds of problems problems of machine learning. We have algorithms for classification, clustering, frequent pattern settings, and collaborative filtering, which is used for recommender systems. So Mahout have a great stack of algorithms, and also it's the community can contribute to Mahout and enhance the algorithms, or even implement another one that is new. And a nice thing about Mahout, that most of its algorithms can run on the top of Hadoop, so you can run big data and distribute the computation among lots of machines using Hadoop on the top of Mahout. Using Mahout on the top of Hadoop.
Okay. And so, your any other application or Java language that you or APIs that you use for them?
Yeah, basically in Mahout we have math libraries in Mahout as well.
Okay.
So we can use. We don't need actually to use you can use just the math operations, linear algebra, for example, in other problems, not only in machine learning. You can use an algebra operation in another daily life problem, and the use of Mahout. So Mahout is very spread, very known now in the Java community for machine learning.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll let you go to your session.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping by. Thanks.
Thank you.